Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday on December the 3rd, 2013. Want to welcome you and for joining us today. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and I've found some really good ones today. We've got, I think, about 9 companies to talk about. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. We're working on trying to keep this to a 10-minute show, so I'm going to have to get right to it today. And we'll start with a company called Kelt Exploration. Kelt Exploration just announced that they've done they've closed $101 million financing. Kelt is planning on using that. They're a Canadian oil and gas company. And they're looking to acquire crude oil and natural gas assets, and that's where most of that money's going to go to. As I was getting ready to do the show, I got a chance. Oh, by the way, their stock is up 16 cents today to $9.07. Got a chance to look at their stock chart, and it's a very powerful stock chart, consistently making higher highs and higher lows. Since when it started trading back in March, and now the trend seems to be in very good shape right now, and they've got a bunch more money to go out there and acquire stuff with. Kelt Exploration's website is KEL, and it trades on the Toronto Exchange. The next company is Sandvine. Sandvine received over $5 million expansion order from a Tier 1 North American operator. They won 25 new communications service provider customers during their fourth quarter of 2013, including 8 from recently announced Latin American Tier 1 operator group. The $5 million follow-on order represents expansion of the operator's deployment of Sandvine's policy traffic switch and service delivery engine to support business intelligence and traffic optimization use cases. So this is very good news for the company. Sandvine's stock is up 13 cents today to $2.77. Just looking at their stock chart right now, they were in a sort of a sideways action from, let's say, the beginning of the year until September. Since then, they've really, since late September, they've really performed exceptionally well. And this is a good one to do your homework on. I'd especially look and try to find out what caused that big move starting in September. They must have had some significant fundamental developments at that point in time, so I'm going to do my homework on that one too and consider this company for the Friday Best of the Best in Weekly News show. Their stock symbol is SVC, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next company is Calico Resources. Calico Resources announced today that they'll be selling their Grassy Mountain project for $30 million. This is the only project that the company has. I've been following the developments of this company for a while. This is a very significant situation for the company. Yes, they're selling their asset. But this gives them a lot of money in a market where, a lot of juniors don't have a lot of money. They're going to be looking at almost 60 cents a share in cash off of this deal. And right now, the stock's trading at 23 cents. Although it's up 11 cents today, it's still at 23 cents. So this means a lot of money to the treasury of this company. And the stock chart, well, it's definitely blasted off since even you take a look at mid-November there, or early November, and it's just blasted off from trading at under a dime to now trading at 20-some cents. So interesting developments for Calico. Their stock symbol is CKB, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company is Dalradian. Dalradian received their work approval from the Northern Ireland Department of Environment that permits them to do underground exploration development at their Curragilnalt gold project in County Tyrone. I'm sure I'm saying that gold project name wrong, but this is a very significant development for the company. I've talked about the company in the past because of their drill results. Now this will give them underground access, so that's a very interesting development for Dalradian. Their stock's up a nickel today to 65 cents. Just looking at their chart, and been a very good performer since August. Had a run from 52 cents all the way up to 90. Gave back some of those gains into October, then had a rally towards the end of the month. Gave back those gains, and looks like it's bottomed and is on another bullish move for the company. Stock symbol is DNA, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next company is Trevali. Trevali provided their November Santander mill commissioning update. This project is in Peru, and they're moving forward toward full commercial production. They have bought. They're nearing their. They're now, as of November, they hit their nameplate capacity of 2,000 tons per day. So that's a very good development for the company. Trevali's stock is up a cent today to 82 cents. And just looking at their stock chart, been a very good performer since late June. I like this company. I've picked them before, and I like what I'm seeing here. Their stock symbol is TV, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Midas Gold Corp. Midas Gold Corp has a project down in Idaho. They just completed 7,000 meters of drill program, and it's called the Golden Meadows Project in Idaho. Had some really good drill results. 100 meters of 3.12 grams per ton gold, 2.8 grams per ton silver. Another hole hit 58.4 meters of 1.21 grams per ton gold and 19 grams of silver. Another hole hit 82 meters of 2.91 grams per ton gold and 2.3 grams per ton silver. And all of these drill results are from starting right at surface. So this is a thick intersections, really good grade. I'm going to have to do some more homework on this one. It's flat on the day at 68 cents. And the stock chart's not that spectacular, but I sure like what I'm seeing out of the drill results. I have to do some more homework on this company. It does look like it could be creating a bottom here and a good opportunity based on those drill results. MAX is their symbol, and they trade on Toronto. Next company is Novacopper. Novacopper drills 74.8 meters of 1.81% copper at their Bornite project, which is in Alaska, in the Ambler Mining District of northwestern Alaska. Some very good drill results in there, 321 meters of 1.54% copper. They had another 727 meter intersection of for a weighted average of 1.8% copper. Really good numbers in there. Have to do some more homework on Novacopper. This is their stock symbol. Didn't do anything today. They're still 213. Stock looks like it's a pretty volatile on a daily basis. Breaking out a little bit lately. Going to have to do some more homework on Novacopper. Their stock symbol is NCQ, and they trade on Toronto. First I'm going to deal with this company. Reservoir Minerals had some very good drill results late yesterday afternoon. Reservoir Minerals reports drill intervals of 166 meters grading 11.29% copper equivalent and 128.7 meters grading 8.41% copper equivalent at their Timok project in Serbia. I don't follow very many companies in Serbia, but with these kind of drill results, my word, definitely have to pay attention. They're hitting 166 meters of 6.65% copper and 7.75 grams of gold. 128 meters of 5.76% copper and 4.42% or 4.42 grams per ton gold. Some very exceptional numbers. I'm not too excited about, looking at projects in Serbia, but this is definitely one you cannot ignore. The stock is up 12 cents today to $5.03. And it's been on an exceptionally good trend since early July, early to late July. It started its run, and it's been doubled in the last almost doubled in the last 4 or 5 months. So interesting company there. RMC is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today, to news release today, and by no means did I is this anything but great results. Peregrine Diamonds announced that they had a grade of 2.70 carats per ton of diamonds from their CH6 bulk sample. This is a 100% owned project now. It's the Chidliak Diamond Project in Baffin Island. They note that they've confirmed that CH6 is one of the highest grade kimberlite pipes in the world. The resulting diamond parcel consisted of 600 carats of commercial size, which is greater than a 0.85 millimeter screen. These stones, including 48 diamonds over 1 carat in size and 137 diamonds over a half a carat. Their largest stone weighed 3.54 carats. Significant portion of the parcel is gem diamonds. The work was completed at the Saskatchewan Research Council. They had some 1.52 carat clean yellow tetrahexahedron and a 2.60 carat clean yellow mackerel. And in addition, they had quite a few white stones as well, or white colorless, of 2.15 carats, 1.74 carats, 3.54 carats, 2.05, 1.78, 1.60. Some extremely good results there from that project. I've been waiting on these results since they took the sample in the summer, and the market just really loved what they saw. It's up 50% today, to up 21 cents to 63 cents. Today it's traded as high as 75 cents. Market really liked this news a lot, as they should. These kind of projects don't come around very often, and this is an exceptional project. They've got several other kimberlites. They've got potential to find kimberlites. They've got several other diamondiferous kimberlites that also look like they could do well in a bulk sample kind of situation, and CH6 just definitely looks like a great one. Their stock symbol is PGD, excuse me, and they trade on Toronto. That's all the news for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. It's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. On that note, have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.